In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to survive when you live in that van life and you don't have an apartment or anywhere to cook. Stay tuned and scope it out. The tools necessary for the job are going to be posted at the end of the video. So if you guys want to see, just stay and watch the whole video, or fast forward. I don't care. It's your choice. But it's very informational if you watch it all the way from the beginning to the end. So if you want to know about what the tools I used, wait to the end of the video, and I'm going to post them up. This is your teacup right here. Your tea kettle, I mean. And then your pots are in there. These latches open up. You need one of these to make your salsa or whatever you're gonna need and do. And these utensils, 2 knives, chopping board, as you can see. Your Tupperware for the whole week. Probably lasts us about 6-7 days. About 6 days, you know what I mean? You know, minimum 5 days, between 5 and 6 days. That little stove burner, the little windshield barrier, 2 plates, a spoon, cup, alkaline water, water and vinegar to clean your pots and pans and everything. It works really good. Just dilute it with water with vinegar. And then you got a backpack, like this one's a duffel bag. It's a 28-inch travel bag. What I got in here, I got 2 16-inch propane cylinders. This one still has some. I used it already for 4 hours, so you know, it's really good. There's 2 of them in there. And then over here you got your extension for, you know, nothing in there. And you got 2 extra propanes over here, so we're ready. We're ready for war, baby. You know? Over here, you got your olive oil, garlic, you can leave it in there. You got your sugar over there. You got your coffee mate cream. You got garlic powder. You got your cafe de olla. You got some chicken rub seasoning. What else we got here? We got some chicken bouillon for to make a chicken soup one day. What else? Larry's black pepper seasoned salt. Onion powder. This one's garlic salt. Himalayan salt. This is a grinder. I wouldn't recommend this one. This one takes a lot of fucking turning to do, you know what I mean? So I recommend just get the ones that already powdered or ground down. That's it, man. Everything fits in there perfectly fine. So let's put it in there. Oh, and these boxes, everything fits in here perfectly fine, except the 3 containers. And I'll show you right now how to put it away. All right, so everything goes in like that. Oh, and then you got a lighter right here, which you don't need it because this little device right here has a self-igniter in there. So just in case that one goes out or whatever, you gotta have a backup, which is this one right here. So everything goes in here nicely. Put this right here, sideways or whatever, however you can fit it. See, nice carry, nice bag. Close it. It's kind of hard to close it with one hand, but there you go. And there you go, you're ready to go for another adventure, another week, another weekend, you know, or whatever. See? Yeah, the chopping board goes all the way at the bottom, and there's your bag. You're ready to go. And then over here in this Target bag, you got your meal for the week to go to work or whatever, you know what I'm saying? We'll put that in the refrigerator. We got a little mini refrigerator inside of the conversion van. So yeah, you know, it keeps it really well, fresh, maintained. And then your water, alkaline water, and then like I said, your vinegar water, you know, half of it vinegar and half of it water, shake it, whatever, and we use that to clean our dishes. It does a really good job, you know. Hey, we gotta work what we have, you know. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, share, like, leave a comment, and it will really help out if you subscribe, but you don't have to. Have a nice weekend, have a nice day, good luck on whatever you're doing.